Hello everyone. So today we are gonna start with a project setup for our multiplayer shooter game. For this I'm gonna use Unreal Engine 5.4.4. So let's just quickly create a project. So we're gonna go to games, then we'll create a third person project. We'll keep the target platform as desktop and quality as maximum. I'm gonna name this project as multiplayer project and just click on create. Now this is typically our Unreal Engine browser. So first of all, this is the content browser. I'm gonna create a new folder here in order to keep things sorted. I'll name it as game. I'll create another folder named blueprints, another for UI, and another for levels. So first I'm quickly gonna create a new level, which will be an empty level, and I'm gonna save it as main menu. This will be the entry level of our game. Here we'll have the UI, which will allow us to host and join the session. Now I'm gonna create another level, which will be our game level. I'm gonna save it as game. And since it's multiplayer, so I'm gonna duplicate the player start. You can do it by holding the Alt button. Now I'm gonna go to the blueprint folder and I'll create a blueprint class for game mode. I'll name it as GM multiplayer. Then I'm gonna create a player controller. I'll name it as PC multiplayer. Then I'll quickly create a game instance. A game instance will hold the values which are constant, which are persistent throughout the game. So now I'm gonna copy our third person character and paste it in our blueprint folders. Now let's move out to the project settings. And quickly here we'll set our default game mode as GM multiplayer, editor starter map to be of main menu that we just created, and the game default map to be of main menu that we just created. We don't want to use a split screen. And this is the most important thing. We have to override our game instance with GI multiplayer. So with all these things set up, now we are ready to begin with our development.